Actor Tim Curry, best known for his role in Home Alone 2, Lost in New York, has died at age 80 years old. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Tim Curry, the star of Rocky Horror Picture Show, has passed away at age 80 years old. The actor also appeared in movies such as Home Alone 2, The Hunt for Red October, Muppet Treasure Island, Addams Family Reunion, and Scary Movie 2. He passed away on Tuesday at his home in Los Angeles, according to his longtime manager and friend Marcia Hurwitz. No cause of death was disclosed at the time of this publication. Curry suffered a near-fatal stroke in 2012, which left him in a wheelchair. Known for his arch humor and gifts with voices, Curry earned a number of nominations throughout his illustrious career. A statement from his manager, it said, "Though widely known for his imitable flamboyant characters and colorful stage performances, his greatest legacies to those who knew him were his curious, expansive mind and gorgeous, gentle heart, both of which remained open and filled with anticipation up till his final breath." Originally born in Cheshire, the actor's family moved to Hong Kong when he was 6 months old. The family would later relocate and settle in Plymouth after his father suffered a stroke. Curry's family did not have a background in show business. His mother's relatives were seafarers and his father's family were County Durham builders. The star began acting in school plays before studying drama and English at Birmingham University. The actor said he did not attend classes much and focused on acting in extracurricular production, claiming one of his professors tried to stop him from taking his final exams as they had never met before. After graduating in 1968, Curry got his first acting gig in London production of Here. Curry made his big break a few years later when he auditioned for the Rocky Horror Show after a stint with the Royal Shakespeare Company production. Curry, who never married and had no children, was deeply private about his personal life. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.